Made it to the Mindo. Walk with us down the trail to the Cinnamon Hostel. Luckily the door's already open for us, so you won't see the secret code to get in. Plenty of lounging space. This place is big on lounging. Very cool, very open air. Look at you high stepping through the mud.
No me gusta.
Reopen. Okay.
Ooh, wow.
This is the food for inside.
See.
This part, excuse me. Show me. This is the purple. This purple part is the base to make the chocolate. This is the bean. This is the base. This is the bean of the chocolate to make the chocolate. This part is the pulp.
I didn't expect it to be so sweet.
Yeah. Okay, now you are testing the different. Please.
Ah!
Don't worry.
Trying not to touch the fork.
How is it?
It's different.
It's
no?
good,
Yeah, it's good.
but
Both
it's
is
not
good.
as good as that one.
Exactly.
It's a little sour.
Exactly. That's the
Oh, yeah.
difference.
Huh. That's the B52.
Hadn't have tried that one, this one first, I would have still really liked that because I like the tangy flavor. But that one was so sweet.
Exactly.
Look at you go.
Maybe I'll find something I like to bake. No me gusta cocinar.
No, I think
Until today.
now it's the register you are cooking in Ecuador, right?
That's right.
Just to make a good chocolate.
Chocolate Mama.
You gotta do the grinding part. I know you like to grind.
Says the Chocolate Mama.
Now we are grinding that to make a paste of the chocolate.
The things you do for love.
You're doing a great job, baby.
Uh-oh, there goes a fingernail.
Oh yeah.
Easy.
On the secret of the house. Let's smell.
So if you're the Chocolate Mama, I'm the Chocolate Daddy.
I was gonna go with Papa, but
Chocolate Papa. Papi de Chocolate.
Chocolate chocolate. No, it's more, the more
Is this in my mouth?
No, it's too much. A little bit.
Just a little bit.
Good test. This is good. How you smell? Oh my God, this is
It's like
delicious.
heaven.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
just a little bit. I didn't taste anything.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Just a little bit. Oh, yeah.
That's intense.
Smell, please.
Oh, yeah. We're on the hunt. Oh, I spotted one. It's a bird watcher. There she is. Also known as Chocolate Mama. So here we are, birding in Mindo, Ecuador on a fantabulous Saturday morning.
It still doesn't register as being real. Like a few months ago, we're just living our lives in Knoxville, and now we're roasting chocolate and grinding it, looking at toucans.
Killer toucans.
Which eat woodpeckers' babies. It's like they're so beautiful and so lethal.
Just a Saturday morning in Ecuador. One on your head.
This is magical.
Lure one in with some banana juice. Still got one on your hat.
It's my new amiga nueva.
Now we're getting some desayuno before our canyon meet.
A little light rain.
Still a little misty out here. Could be a nice
It's
day
nice
to get
though. It's
soaking
not
wet.
like it's cloudy and a little rainy, but it's not going to ruin your day or anything.
Hold tight. Woo! We good. Smile.
It used to be my idea of a good time. I don't know anymore.
No mas.
Perfect. Muy bien.
I hope this isn't cultural appropriation.
Luis is an excellent guide.
Thank you, thank you.
Highly recommend. One new career choice we know we won't make is that of canyoning guide. We'll leave that to the experts.
Yeah. Luis.
Yeah, you can't show that. I don't care if you show me crashing into the waterfall, but you can't show that.
It's just Monday. Monday in Mindo. Time for a little, what's this called, babe? Terabito? Terabita. Terabita ride. All the way down there.
walking with some youngins.
We're going uphill all the way. We're heading for
the
what's it called? Armenia?
Raina,
Raina,
the Queen Waterfall.
the Queen Waterfall.
It's beautiful up here.
Beautiful Monday morning. Great exercise for us gringos.
See.
Welcome to Waterfall Raina. There's plenty of steps, ups and downs when you're climbing all over the waterfalls over here in Ecuador.
We're definitely getting our steps in for today and possibly for the whole month. Surely we got to be getting in better shape.
You can't see through all the dense cover, but this is like zigzagging all over the place, up and down everywhere. To all these different waterfall pools. It's beautiful, but it's a lot.
We should have brought snacks.
Should have brought something, some coffee. Au revoir from
cool
Ecuador.
Au revoir.
Ciao, ciao. We made it to the last waterfall.
It required a water crossing, unless you were a little monkey and could make it through all the,
Yeah,
like her.
like our Aussie billy goat.
She found a way over the rocks and trees and stayed dry. We just walked
Yeah.
through the water.
Walking in the rain. Gotta get to dinner. We hiked all 7 waterfalls today up in the park in Mindo. And now we're shot, but we still gotta get to dinner. Sure am glad for some hearty food and some caffeine and my baby.
That's me.
Last morning in Mindo. Gonna go grab some desayuno. We're both kind of hobbling after the 5-hour waterfall hike yesterday. It was way too much.
It's really my feet. Being on all the rocks and just tears my feet up. My calves are a little sore. Everything else feels pretty good. All our clothes are wet.
Nothing dries in
Nothing
the
dries
cloud
in
forest.
Mindo.
Just a heads up in case
These
you didn't
people
think
have
so.
stuff out on a line to dry. I just don't see how that's going to happen.
The sun
We
maybe.
brought, like quick dry stuff.
Yeah, even quick dry things don't dry. So
So just know that. First stop when we get back is going to be Lavanderia.
it's been fun here though. It's cool.
Oh, yeah.
Mindo's cool.
Super cool.
Nice place to chill. Cinnamon House was awesome. Met some cool people. Food's
Some
been
really
great.
cool people.
The adventures have been great. It's been a good time. Definitely a good break from the city. Buenos dias. Because the city life in Quito is a little rougho. Peace.